Advice for achieving success with affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing can be a great way to make a little extra money. In fact, lots of people are making a full-time living from in this way. This video can explain to you how affiliate marketing works and how you can put it to work to benefit you. Before joining an affiliate marketing program, test out the product or service that you will be promoting. Having used the product before talking about allows you to give honest and sincere reviews of it. Your readers will be able to tell that your recommendations come from actual use and trust your reviews more than a generic review that doesn't tell them anything. When creating an affiliate marketing program, the best thing you can do to attract and hold on to quality affiliates is to have good communication. If you respond to their issues, and provide good service to them, they feel like a valued part of your company. A valued affiliate will stick around and will give better reviews of your product. To increase the success of your affiliate marketing, hone in on a niche market and provide your visitors with valuable information that will increase their confidence in you. Recommending quality affiliate products that your visitors are interested in will earn you money as well as increase your visitors' trust in you. Use the pre-sale content of your affiliate programs to link to keep customers interested. If you are promoting a new dog cage, have the link go to the affiliate's additional information about it instead of going straight to order page. This gives the customer more information about a product, continuing the sales pitch and builds trust. Nobody likes to feel as though they are being spammed. Disclose your affiliations upfront and your visitors will appreciate the fact that you are an honest person. They will feel much better about contributing to your money-making ventures. If a reader feels as though you are being deceitful in any way, there is a great chance that they will leave your site and never return. There is great inequality in the design of affiliate websites. Some can be difficult or frustrating to navigate. The savvy webmaster knows that there is money to be made even with an affiliate whose site is difficult to use. This will drive business and encourage people to buy things from you since it develops trust between you and your customers. Affiliate marketing can be something that you can make work for you. By following the tips in the video above, you can realize a nice income from the comfort of your own home. Obviously, you can't expect instant results, but if you are in it with a long-term view, you can be successful at it. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google Indie ranking system. 2. Finds untapped buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.